Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlink Nintendo account from Nintendo Switch 2. Nintendo account once linked to a Switch account, it cannot be unlinked. So you can create a different Nintendo Switch account, a local account that you want link your Nintendo account to, then delete the one that has the account linked. So what I mean by that, you can see here I have the account and it is actually linked to a Nintendo account. If I go to the settings here, I'll get users option. I can click on user, and now you can see I have my Nintendo account linked. If I were to unlink it, I'll need to first create a different user without signing in. Select an icon for that user, enter its name, approve that, then click on OK. User is added. Now this one has to be deleted, but I'm pretty sure that if you didn't back up your save data to the save data cloud, which is only available in the Nintendo Switch Online subscription, then you'll basically lose that data. So let's click on that. You can see that everything was stored in the system, like the save data stored in system memory will be deleted, and the user's Nintendo account will be unlinked, and any software purchased using the account that will be unlinked will no longer be accessible on this system, of course, unless you log in. But if you don't have your save data backed up, then even if you relog in later, then it'll be lost anyway if it's not backed up. Now I'm gonna click on delete, then delete this user. And now the user is successfully deleted. And that's basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.